welcome to today's video. Today is a short but sweet one. I feel like all my cleaning videos recently have been very quick cleaning, but we just got back from just over a week in Kos. We went to Greece. It was really nice to get away. We surprised the in-laws whilst over there. Today I just wanted to spritz the entire house after coming back off holiday. I'm using the Minimal multi-surface cleaner. This is really good. It gets quite foamy, which is also quite nice, and it smells amazing and leaves the kitchen smelling so good. And then when we mop, I'm using the Essevi pet floor cleaner. This again, all Essevi floor cleaners are so good. They are so shiny and they just smell amazing. They leave the floors really clean and fresh. one of them spaces that just irritates me all the time. We definitely need new sofas, it needs a paint, it needs like a big decoration, but that will all happen in good time. So for today, we're just hoovering it, mopping it. Enzo has got this Porsche tyre that we now have as Cooper's toy storage. So yeah, there's a random car tyre off a racing car from like a couple of years ago in my living room, but it is what it is. That's it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.